Imagine this: green auroras swirling above frozen landscapes, silent satellites drifting endlessly in Earth's orbit, and towering solar storms erupting with a raw energy millions of kilometers away. And you, not in a lab or a spacecraft, but right here witnessing all from your screen. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cosmofy, an experience that redefines how we connect with the space. It's not just an app, it's a personal gateway into the living, breathing universe above us. We begin with the Cosmofy dashboard, the beating heart of your space awareness. Here you don't just scroll through data, you see stories unfold in real time. You might catch a sudden burst of radiation from the sun or a surge of solar wind brushing past Earth's magnetic shield. You might learn that a communication satellite has just shifted orbit to avoid space debris. The dashboard isn't static, it's alive, constantly updating to reflect the movement of space. It simplifies what's happening out there so you can understand it in here. Now imagine this: a sun, a fiery ball, unpredictable, powerful, controlling the invisible weather of space. Through Cosmofy's Space Weather Center, you get to see how the solar tantrums, eruptions, flares, radiation bursts interact with our planets. You will learn how solar winds slice through space, pressing against Earth's magnetosphere. You'll discover coronal mass ejections. You'll observe how solar flares can knock out radio communication. Cosmofy breaks it all down not just as complex graphs or jargon, but as real phenomena with a real impact unfolding above your head. But space isn't just dramatic, it can be dangerous. Cosmofy's Disaster Watch gives you alerts, not just for curiosity, but for safety. It keeps an eye on near-Earth asteroids, those fast-moving cosmic rocks that pass closer to the moon. It notifies you of geomagnetic disturbances, which can interfere with airplanes, navigation systems, even power grids. It warns about high radiation zones, particularly crucial for astronauts and high-altitude pilots. Think it as your space shield, a personal system that alerts you before things go wrong. Even stared at the stairs and wondered, what's flying above me? Cosmofy answers with that. Live satellite tracking. You will see where the International Space Station right now, who is aboard, and when it will glide across your sky. You can follow hundreds of satellites as they orbit, see their altitude, speed, direction, even when they will pass your city. It makes space visible, trackable, and tangible, so you don't just look up at space, you interact with it. But the cosmos isn't only about storms and satellites, it's also about wonder. Cosmofy's event calendar makes sure you never miss that moment of magic. Want to watch a meteor shower? It will remind you, tailored to your time zone and city. Curious about an eclipse? Cosmofy tells you exactly when and where to look. Excited about a planetary alignment? Cosmofy marks it for you with viewing tips. And now take one step further. With Cosmofy's Solar System Explorer, you just observe the space. You navigate it. Zoom out and see where Earth, Mars, Jupiter are right now. Watch them move in real time or rewind the clock to see planetary alignments from the past. Coming soon, this will evolve into a 3D immersive explorer where you'll be able to fly through space from planet to planet as if you are piloting through your own prop. So why Cosmofy? Because space isn't just distant stars and alien worlds. It's part of our story every single day. Cosmofy brings the mysteries of the space down to earth. It turns cosmic chaos into human curiosity. In a world where information feels overwhelming, Cosmofy gives you clarity. In a universe that feels unreachable, it brings you closer.